हेलो स्टूडेंट्स एबे हम देखमा कंटिन्यूटी रो नंबर 2 क्वेश्चन इज इफ ए फंक्शन इज कंटिन्यूअस एट x इज इक्वल टू a तो गोटे फंक्शन टा एट x इज इक्वल टू a रे कंटिन्यूअस हैला देन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस ओके सो फास्ट जेतु से दे दीजिए कंटिन्यूअस एट x इज इक्वल टू a मींस लिमिट x टेंड्स टू a f of x इज इक्वल टू f of a हम जब लिमिट x टेंड्स टू ए एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ ए होची मींस लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट भी एफ ऑफ ए हेबा आउ राइट हैंड लिमिट भी एफ ऑफ ए हेबा सो दिस इंप्लाइज वी से दैट लिमिट x टेंड्स टू ए प्लस लिमिट x टेंड्स टू ए प्लस एफ ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू आल्सो एफ ऑफ ए एंड लिमिट x टेंड्स टू a माइनस एफ ऑफ x is equal to also f of e. So it is our right hand limit and it is our left hand limit. So जदि मुझे x tends to a plus के h tends to 0 नहीं that is x is equal to a plus h and if x tends to a plus this implies h tends to 0. So this we can write this h limit x tends to a plus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 और 0 प्लस जन दे हमको 0 टिके अधिका f of a plus h f of a plus h which is equal to f of a. Similarly for left hand limit this is a minus h and if x tends to a minus h tends to 0. Okay, now this is equal to limit x tends to a plus and this is equal to f of a. So we say that this is limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h. x tends to a minus जगह में h tends to 0 put कर देने और x जगह a minus h which is equal to f of a. Okay, now so this is equal to limit h tends to 0 plus लिमिट h टेंस टू 0 प्लस 1/2 के जब मैं बाहर के नहीं गने लिमिट h टेंस टू 0 प्लस f ऑफ a प्लस h प्लस f ऑफ a माइनस h. ओके सो इटा केते आसीगला f ऑफ a प्लस h टा आसीगला हमर f ऑफ a एंड f ऑफ a माइनस h टा आसीगला हमर इटा भी f ऑफ a इटा भी हमर f ऑफ a. So f of a plus f of a is equal to 2f of a. So this is equal to 1/2 into 2f of a which is equal to f of a. So first value टा आसला limit h tends to 0 plus 1/2 f of a plus h plus f of a minus h is equal to f of a. Similarly second टा जदि आसला so this is equal to limit h tends to 0 1/2 टा बाहर के पहले आसला limit h tends to 0 plus f of a plus h minus f of a minus h. So इटा भी आसला हमर f of a इटा भी आसला हमर f of a f of a plus h भी f of a f of a minus h भी हमर f of a. So f of a minus f of a is equal to 0. So 1/2 into 0 is equal to 0. So हमर सेकंड आसला हमर वैल्यू 0. Okay, even next question. So next question डाला हम number 3. So कोई जो question है find the value of a. Find the value of a such that the function f is defined by f of x is equal to sin ax by sin x if x not equal to 0 and 1/a if x is equal to 0. तो हमको वैल्यू बाहर कराबार छे a रा for which this function is continuous at x is equal to 0. So first f of 0 टा केते आसी जबो so h the function is continuous तो f of 0 is equal to left hand limit is equal to right hand limit or f of 0 is equal to limit x tends to 0 f of x. फंक्शन और लिमिट टा फंक्शन और वैल्यू संगे समान है. So this is equal to f of 0 टा केते f of 0 is equal to at x is equal to 0 the value is 1/a. सो लिमिट जहाँ भी असला लिमिट x टेंस टू 0 f of x जहाँ भी असला था 1/a संगे समान है. So this implies as the function is continuous, जेहेतु function टा continuous है. So limit x tends to 0, f of x टा कहते f of x यदि x not equal to 0 लगे थे it is sin x by sin x which is equal to 1 by a as the function is continuous at x is equal to 0. Okay, so this is equal to limit x tends to 0 sin ax by sin x is equal to 1 by e. Now we have to solve this equation. So sin ax by sin x रो हमें first limit काढ़े दमा. So this implies limit x tends to 0 sin ax by sin x by x. हमें both numerator और denominator x से divide कर देना. Since इस जगह रे ax छे हमें इस जगह रे a टे multiply कर देना. इस जगह रे भी ऊपर तला multiply a टे कर देना. Okay. Now limit x tends to 0 sin ax by ax is equal to 1. Also sin x by x is equal to 1. And this is equal to 1 by h. Now, so this implies limit x tends to 0. This is equal to 1 and this is equal to also 1. So this is equal to a is equal to 1 by a. H limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1. So এটা 1 আসিগলা এটা 1 আসিগলা রহিলা কেতে a is equal to 1 by a. So this implies a square is equal to 1 and this implies a is equal to plus minus 1. A is equal to plus minus 1. So for the value a is equal to plus minus 1, this function f of x is equal to sin x by sin x if x not equal to 0 and 1 by e if x is equal to 0 is continuous. केते हला जदि एटा either plus minus 1 by plus 1 हले भी चलबा minus 1 हले भी चलबा. Now the next question ठीक है if f of x is equal to this is continuous at x is equal to 1. So function टा at x is equal to 1 रे continuous है. Then find a and b. So हमको काना देई छे function टा continuous बोली से कहि देई छे. So limit of the function जहाँ भी असला value of the function संगे समान हबा. और इन शॉर्ट में कहि में लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट टा और राइट हैंड लिमिट टा लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट is equal to right hand limit is equal to value at that point value केन पॉइंट रे at 1 रे. So f of 1 संगे समान. Okay. Now इधर देखो value at x is equal to 1 means f of 1 टा केते f of 1 is equal to at x is equal to 1 the function is 1. So f of 1 is equal to 1. Okay, now we have to find left hand limit. Left hand limit. So if x is equal to 1 minus h means 1 रो टिके चोट. So if x tends to 1 minus this implies h tends to 0. So limit x tends to 1 minus 1 रो छोट हले function टा ax square plus b. Ax square plus b. Now put the value of x and x tends to 1 minus. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0 a into 1 minus h the whole square plus b. And which is equal to h जगह जब मैं 0 put करें so this is a into 1 plus b. So a plus b. And which is equal to this is left hand limit is equal to left hand limit is equal to f of 1 which is equal to 1. Okay, so a plus b is equal to 1. We have the first equation. Equation 1. Next, right hand limit. For right hand limit, we have x is equal to 1 plus h. And if x tends to 1 plus, this implies h tends to 0. And limit x tends to 1 plus ray 2ax minus b. There is 2ax minus b which is equal to limit h tends to 0 2a 1 plus h minus b. h जगह 0 put कर देला कितना this is 2a minus b. 2a minus b and which is also equal to 1. h right hand limit is also equal to f of 1. So now we have two equation 1 and equation 2. and two unknown a and b. By solving this, we can get a and b. So as the function is continuous, the left hand limit is also equal to f of 1 and right hand limit is also equal to f of 1. So now adding equation 1 and 2, equation 1 और 2 के जब मैं ऐड कर दें b और b कैंसल आउट हो जस्ट लाइक लिखी दो a plus b is equal to 1 and 2a minus b is equal to 1 जब दुईटा के मैं ऐड कर दें b b कैंसल आउट हो so this is equal to 3a is equal to 1 plus 1 2 so a is equal to 2 by 3 and if a is equal to 2 by 3 b is equal to, so from this equation b is equal to 1 minus a which is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So if the function is continuous at x is equal to 1, then the value of a is equal to 2 by 3 and the value of b is equal to 1 by 3. Then the function is continuous. So first क्या करना है लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट बाहर कर देना राइट हैंड लिमिट बाहर कर देना and h left hand limit is equal to f of 1 and right hand limit is also equal to f of 1. So the left hand limit is equal to 1 and right hand limit is equal to 1. So you have two equation and two unknown. By solving these two equations, we can get the value of a and b. So next question ta ache amar. So that sin x is continuous for every real x. Sin x is continuous for every real x. Real number कौन सी भी real number है कौन सी भी point रे sin x टा continuous है. Just in diagram रे जब मैं देखी मैं. So sin x is continuous. कौन सी भी जगह रे discontinuous point नहीं ना. इधर है sin x रो ग्राफ. So कौन सी भी point रे sin x टा में discontinuous बोली कहीं नहीं पर. So proof कंदे करी कर मैं देखे. So let x is any arbitrary point which is a real number. So let a element of R. आम गोटे arbitrary point नहीं छू ये which is element of real number कौन सी भी real number है पारे तो हमें देखे देमा सही a point रे function sin x टा continuous है. So for this f of a is equal to sin a. F of a is equal to, since the function f of x is equal to sin x. Now we have to find left hand limit at x is equal to a and right hand limit at x is equal to a. So left hand limit लगी कना करमा हमें x is equal to a minus h. So this implies if x tends to a minus, this implies h tends to 0. So limit x tends to a minus sin x is equal to, we say that limit h tends to 0 sin x जगह रे a minus h put करना. This is a minus h. So h जगह रे मुझे 0 put करना और in simply जब मैं देखे expand कर दे मैं so this is equal to sin a cos h minus cos a sin h and h जगह रे मुझे 0 put कर दे मैं कना से जीवा cos h is equal to 1 and sin h is equal to 0. So this is equal to sin a. Okay. So f of x, f of a टा sin a टा left hand limit संगे हमार समान असला. समान असचे. Right hand limit भी समान असचे कि ना देखमा. Right hand limit लाई काना करमा x is equal to a plus h and if x tends to a plus this implies h tends to 0. So right hand limit टा कितना असला limit x tends to a plus sin x is equal to limit h tends to 0 sin a plus h. So sin a plus h के जब मैं expand कर में so here this is equal to limit h tends to 0 then h tends to 0 put है ना. So limit h tends to 0 sin h sin a cos h plus cos a sin h. Here also cos h is equal to 1 and sin h is equal to 0. h जगह 0 put गले cos 0 is equal to 1 and sin 0 is equal to 0. So इटा 0 आसी गला इटा 1 so this is equal to sin a. Since left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f of a and a is a arbitrary point and also a element of R is any real number Hence we say that the function sin x is continuous for every real x. आमे एटा कौन सी गोटे पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट नहीं एटा के आमे आर्बिट्ररी पॉइंट ने जो हुई जे रियल नंबर. Hence we say that the function is continuous everywhere in R or in real number. ठीक है, थैंक यू.